Good day, everybody. Welcome to another video tutorial regarding how to use the video editor InShot. For today's video, our topic is on how to put music on your videos. So, let us begin. First, go to your application, press InShot, then press Video. After, press New. Choose any videos that you want to put some music into. Then, press the check on the lower right of your screen. After, look for the icon that is music and you press on it. This is where you will choose the music that you will put on your videos. If you don't have any music available on your phone, you can choose the music that is already on InShot. So, to find those music, you just need to press this tracks. Here, there are many music that you can choose from. You just press a category. For example, this one, Summer Soul. And then, you can choose any music. You can listen to the music that is available and choose what music that you want to use. To avoid copyright issue and support the artist, InShot is advising you to add the following credits: the music and the musician who own the music. Put it on your details. You can just press copy and put it on there. Okay, so I choose this My Christmas Days for You. I'll press this use and automatically it's here. If you want to decrease the minute of the music, it's simple. You can press the music, that is this one, and press edit. This area is where you can do all sort of things to the music so that it can be related to your video. For example, you can move the intro, so that different intro will start on the area that you want to put it, or maybe you can adjust the ending so you know until where the music will end. After that one, you can choose the volume. For now, this is 100%. But if you want to lower the volume, like 1%, just a little bit of music to show in the background, or maybe 45 to 50% to make the music much more clearer, or just 100, or maybe more. It depends on you. Depends your style. So as you can see, there is this fade in and fade out. Fade in is the start of the music, while fade out is the ending of the music. So if you want to start your music low till up, you can just press this circle over here and hold, drag it on your right. As you can see, the area here on the up has a part that is gone. They remove it. That is the intro of your music, while the fade out is the outro of your music. If you do not want your music to end abruptly, you want them to end slowly, then you can do the same procedure in the fade in. Press this circle, hold it, and drag it on the right, and the same effect will show. So this really depends on you, on how you want to place a certain music on a certain area on your certain videos. Okay, when everything is done and you are already happy of the result, you press this check area over here and it will bring you back to the music area. So from here, you can actually move your music anywhere you want. You just press the music, hold it, and drag it anywhere that is your fancy. So if you want the music to start here, no music here, but the music will start here, then it's okay. If you want the music to start on the first part, then drag it on the first part. It is still okay. For example, you just want a certain area to cover your music, you can split it. You can press the music. When it is already color white, you can move around and choose where you want to press split. So press split and automatically the music will split. And this area over here, you can drag it anywhere you want. Take note, if you split it, it does not mean that the starting music will be the same as the starting music over here. Wherever you split it, that is the starting music of the music that you split. If you do not want the music, you can also opt to delete it. So if you want to delete it, press the music that you want to delete and press delete. If you want this music to be the same and you don't want to go through the process again on going on tracks, you can just press the music once again. When it's highlighted, press the icon duplicate and it is automatically duplicated. And this duplicated music, you can place it anywhere you want within the video. Now, if you want to use the ones that is already on your phone, if you do not have your own music, you can download your music anywhere. And once it is downloaded on your phone, you can choose that music and you can place it on your video. For example, let us go to tracks and then press the My Music. Here is all the musics that is in your phone. You can try to listen first before choosing what music you want to use. And when you decide, just press use. Done. You already put your music on the video. Now, you want to put some effects, but there are no effects on your phone. InShot also have some effects that is available on their application. So if you want to use that one, you press this icon which is effects. Choose from any category available. You can choose popular. It's either beat, so you listen first if you want that one, bubble, button, fairy dust. If you already choose what effects you want, you just press use and it will automatically be there on your video once again. Now, if you want to use your own voice while editing, you can record it by pressing this icon over here, which is record. This will record your voice. It will give you a timer 1, 2, 3. After, you just press the square on the center and press check to save it. And it will automatically be put on your video also. Other than that, you can also extract the audio on your videos to be placed on a different area. For example, this one. I want to extract this video and place it over here. So the starting, and it will start on wherever I want it to be placed. Okay, now, take note. You can mix match any music that you want. As you can see, you can overlap them if you want a different music. If you're not using any copyright music, you're just using your own, that it's okay. But if you are using a copyright music, then that is a big no-no, and there will be some complications that will happen if you ever going to post that on social media. There you have it. These are all basic knowledge on putting music on your video with the use of InShot application. Once everything is okay, press this check area over here. Play it once again to know if you are satisfied of whatever you have done. And then, once you are satisfied, click upper right corner. There is a word save. And press save. Press the highest quality, that is 1080p. You will be directed to an advertisement page if you choose the free and did not buy the premium. So, once you check the advertise, you just press close and it will automatically be saved to your gallery. So, let's check my gallery. Let's go to my InShot album to see if the video that we added is there. So, as you can see, this is my InShot album. I press it. And there you have it. On the first left corner of the videos, this is the video that we just edited now. Okay, so thank you everybody for viewing my video. I am your host, Angel Snap. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you once again and bye!